This short video will show you how to install the Halcyon app. If you're using an Android device, you can go to the Google Play Store and look for the Halcyon app. Go ahead and select it and download to your device. If you're using an iPad, go to the Apple App Store. Again, search for the Halcyon app and go ahead and install. You'll need your iTunes password to do this. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the app during the install. Go ahead and fill in the information required, including the serial number of the Sonon ultrasound device. You'll also need to create a password for your app. Once you're finished, you can go ahead and confirm all the information. Now that you're finished, you'll go to the login page, and this is where you would input the password that you've already created. Once you've logged into the app with your password, you will come to the home page of the app. From the home page, you can start a new exam by going to Patient List. The Patient List page archives all of the exams you've already done, and you can use the plus sign to create a new patient file. Now that you've downloaded the Halcyon app to your device, you are all set for truly mobile ultrasound imaging.